Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Bushra, and let's start our lesson. Open your book, Oxford Progressive English for grade 6. Today we will read the fourth email, as we have already read 3 emails before. One was from Sarah to Reba. The second one was from Ikor to Hassan, and the third one was from Jangbo to Asad. Today we will read the fourth email. It is from Maria, as you can see here, from Maria, and to whom? To Talha. Maria has sent an email to Talha. Let's read the email. And what is the subject of the email? It is greetings from Havana, Cuba. Cuba is a country and Havana is the capital of Cuba. Hola. Hola means hello. Havana is rich in history and has a wonderful architecture, and there is music everywhere. It's rich in history. It has wonderful architecture. Architecture means the art of making or constructing buildings. And there is music everywhere. Our people enjoy making rumba. Rumba is a genre of music all over Havana. They enjoy making rumba, a genre of music, all over Havana. In the street, they play or they enjoy making rumba in the street, inside and outside the restaurants where we take our lunch or where we take dinners, on balconies, in squares, in the shade of the trees. Everywhere they enjoy making rumba. We love the drums and African rhythm of our Afro-Cuban music. This rumba is a fusion of Afro and Cuban music. We are proud that it is the most popular in the whole of Latin America. This rumba is popular in the whole Latin America. Havana is famous for the huge old 1950s American cars. Havana, it is famous for what? It is famous for the huge old 1950s American cars with their metal tail fins, which we still drive. Although those cars are quite old, their models are of the 1950s, still people love to drive those cars. What for? Because for their metal tail fins. You can see them painted in many different brilliant colors. The cars are painted in different colors. Cuba is famous too for its manufacture of sugar. Cuba is also famous for sugar manufacturing and fat Cuban cigars. So, in this email, we learned or we came to know about Havana, the different facts about it, and what it is famous for. It is famous for its genre of music, which is called rumba. It is famous for its 1950s American cars, and it is also famous for its sugar and Cuban cigars. So, this was about the fourth email, which was from Maria to Talha. Now, we will also do some written work. So, just take out your notebooks. Prepare your page. How you will prepare the page? Write the day over here. It's Wednesday, so write Wednesday here. Then mention the classwork number 2, and the date here. Also mention the page number. Question number 5, as we have already done 4 questions before, so we will now write the 5th question here. In the email from Moscow, which 3 nouns refer to places of worship? In the email from Moscow, there were 3 nouns used which referred to places of worship. What were they? The 3 nouns which refer to the places of worship in the email from Moscow are churches, cathedrals, and chapels. Okay, write the answer in neat and clean writing. Draw the finishing line. Use blue marker for writing the question and blue fountain pen for writing the answer. Now move towards the next question. Which adjective means having 8 sides? So this was also mentioned in the email from Moscow. You can reread the email again if you want, or if you have forgotten. Octagonal means having 8 sides. Okay, the 7th question is which noun means partly melted snow? This was also mentioned in the email from Moscow. You can reread that email again if you want. So the word which means partly melted snow, that is slush. Slush means partly melted snow. Now, what is the 8th question we have? In the email from Nepal, which noun means Nepali mountaineers? Nepali Sherpa is the noun for Nepali mountaineers, Nepali Sherpa. So, this was all about our written exercise. Thank you all. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.